Hey there, what's up? My name is João Camilo, and in this video, let's talk about our microservice. This microservice is written with GOLANG, and I use to receive webhooks from Meta. Alright? In this video, I will show you what way this application will move. This is a fantastic tool for creating diagrams and sketches to collaborate with your team or use to yourself. And this hand-draw style that's perfect for brainstorming and clarifying complex idea. And how these services work. The this service I will I will use as database outside mode. I will connect this service to a database to save all data that Meta will send to us. Alright? Then this will communicate here to save this data. And as shown in the few videos, we have a queue, RabbitMe queue that will post the messages, the data to other servers consume that. All right. I need to add a communication with S3 AWS provider or some storage provider that I will need to store the media received from Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook, right? And the service will store the media and catch the link to send to our API. Fine, it's how it works. I don't show how to deploy that, but I'm using a load balance, to receive much requests. This load balance will prevent our application to crash and disable the downtime for our service. All right. It will guarantee that our application is always up, providing disponibility to Meta send this data. Right? This is how it works. But I have other serves, a private service. I will write with Java and Spring Boot to receive some requests and read this queue data to process this data. It with an API and worker. Awesome. And as worker, it will process all data from the queue, but as API, it will show the data to our front-end service, right? Then it will take the data from our storage provider to show all media, and we have one other database to store all data from the application, right? And why I have two databases. This database will store the account data, the conversation data, the other modules from my application data, right? And this database will store all event received from the webhook service, right? It will prevent some actions because this database have your own responsibility and this other database have another ones, right? And this data will be checked and deleted. And the data stored in this database will be treated about the law of Brazil. Most of my clients are in Brazil. Then, what more steps I have? I have one front end as web application. Sure, you can write this with React, Angular, or Vue. My my applications as write it most of times with React. Then it will consume our API. Sure, you can say that I need to split the API with worker. Right, that's right. This is most scalable performantly. But with my application, the main modules will run in other services, and the service that I will write as open source have a smaller functions to apply with this. Sure, for sure. And here, and here, I have a horizontal scale. Here, if you know my URL, you can attack my application. You can make a DDoS attack, and the DNS service will prevent that. And I know this is possible, right? And it's how my application will run. Sure. And here are my user. Subscribe it to my application, and feel free to start this project, right? I will add a kind of features. Awesome. Then this is the tool that I start to use a few days, few weeks, whatever. In the next video, I will show you most of this structure. Sure. And if this video is useful to you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright? Thank you and see ya.